Alright guys, so join me as I unboxed this tripod stand. And the ring light. So this is how it looks like, the packet. So let's do the unboxing. Let's open it this way. Oh, I love this color. It's beautiful. Okay, it also came with a manual. The manual is kind of showing us how to use it. And this color is given. I love this color. It also has a glass where you can look at yourself. So look at the inside. This is kind of a protection, as like this helps protect it from being, this make it safe, and it came in safe, as in good condition. This is lovely. Look at it here. It has different lights. You can add it, you can reduce and all that. This is the stand. So after fixing it, I'll also show you how it looks like. Yeah. Thank you. So you can see we're unboxing it. Everybody hands on deck. Even my baby wants to unbox. This is funny. Okay. Fixing the wires. The stand, to make sure when it's standing, you see that stand, you can move it up, move it down. It has separate different lengths. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer. Now you see it has 3 shades of light. 3 shades of light. Like if you want it higher, you can use it has a remote. That's what's close to the wire. You see that this one is used to hold the phone, to the tripod stand. This tripod stand is complete and is portable. In case you're traveling, you can just use it and put it inside that little thing and go ahead and create your content. It's so portable, so you can just fix it in, and it's super amazing. And what baffles me is that it's so affordable. So if you're here to join our Preorder group, I also run a Preorder group. We get things at amazing price, so you can get this at affordable price and start creating your content, so you don't have anything delaying you. Yup, you heard me right. And start creating it. You don't have to wait till you get the biggest. This one serve everything, So we're trying to connect the hook. So before we continue, if you've not liked this video, do it to hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, do it to hit the subscribe button. And make sure you watch other videos, because here we talk about how to, make money online. We talk about importation. We talk about, so many things, even AI, how to run successful ads that convert. So do well to go through all our videos and you will like them. Yes. So if you have any question, you can write in the comment section. Maybe you want to ask me. Well, before I forget, this was imported from China. Yeah. So that was where this was imported. And we used sea shipping for it. It takes 2 months. If you also want to know the sea shipping, the company I used that made it possible in just 2 months, then say it on the comment section.